Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to install and upgrade RAM. Okay, so the first step in installing the RAM or upgrading it is to open up the case. So let me just do that. So I've done a custom build, therefore I got a special case with the tempered glass at the front. If you go with one of those pre-builts from the big name brands like Asus or Acer or HP, it's going to be a similar concept. However, it would be slightly different in the way you would remove the shell. Okay, so there we go. I've now got it opened up. Okay, now we've got the cover removed. Let's lay the desktop flat so we can easily access the memory modules. Okay, now these are the areas where we can upgrade the memory, but before we do so, we want to make sure that we do not damage any of the electronics whatsoever. Now that I'm standing on a carpeted floor, I would want to wear my wristband. Okay, now that I got my wristband on, you want to connect this alligator clip to, they say to do it to a metallic part of your case. Now, they also say that not to do it on a painted part. So therefore, the PCI Express slots or the power unit is a good spot to do it. I can just clip mine right here for now. Okay. So now we can directly access the memory modules. Okay, so currently I have two memory sticks installed in a dual channel format. So in a nutshell, dual channel, when you have four RAM slots, dual channels when you place them in every other spot. Okay, but now I want to install another stick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my stick. It's a Corsair Vengeance 16 gigabytes, and I'm going to slot it in. So these guys are taking up one channel right now, so I want to slot it into the other. Okay, so some motherboards have the clip-on one side. Let me just zoom in there. Okay, some motherboards have this clipping mechanism only on one side, while some have it on both. My motherboard just has a static one here. Okay, let me just zoom out again, and let me fit it in. So let's open that up. Now the bigger side is over here. As you can see, there's a break in between. So the bigger side is this way. Okay, so let's fit it in. Let me just bring my camera closer. And you want to fit it in correctly. Sometimes it would be beneficial moving out the surrounding sticks, but I was able to manage. And once you've got it in, you want to press it down and see that clip-on clicked. And then there, we've got it installed. Now the thing is that inside this current format, when I tested it out before filming this, for some reason one of these sticks had to be in one of these thin sticks had to be inside the same channel as this module. So what I'd have to do, I'd have to move this stick over here. Now just play around with this. It might be different for you depending on your motherboard and all that, but just play around with it until you get a correct formation. But if you're using two sticks, or four for that matter, and they're the same frequency, same specifications, just put them into the just put them into every other slot, or if you have 4 of them, put them into each slot. It's quite self-explanatory. Okay, so we got it. I'm just getting it fitted in. It's a bit tight in here with the fan. There, we got the clicks. And there we go, we've got it all fitted. But while you've got the case opened up, I would recommend taking one of these air cans and spraying the motherboard. Make sure you've got the plug plugged out and all the USBs out and whatever you have connected in there. So like when I service this computer, I just use the air spray to just clear out any dust. And there we go. So I'll now get the cover back up and it's ready to roll. Thank you for watching. See you next time.